This is the Quick and Brite Ultimate Cleaning Kit. You're going to get 2 refillable spray bottles. You're going to get Super Shot. This is a concentrated cleaner. It has a guide on the back on how you should mix the concentration and a little measuring cup here in the top built into the container. It comes with the sprayers, a sponge with a scrub side, a microfiber towel, and then you get the paste. This right here covers pretty much anything that can be cleaned. It will clean it. You can do laundry, glass surfaces, vehicles, bathrooms, kitchens, grease, just anything you can think of that you need to clean. This combination right here can clean it. I mixed up some of this Super Shot. Let me see how well it works. Based on the items that I cleaned with this stuff, it seems to work really well. I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.